Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karla. If you're new, welcome. So for today's look, this is a really special look that I'm doing today because this is inspired by Khloe Kardashian. I saw this video that she posted like a few weeks ago. She had like, you know, like the silver, and then she had like rhinestones, but my eyelid is not really like, I don't have that much space to put a lot of rhinestones. So what I did is I just put the rhinestones on the crease, and then I added some glitter. But I'll show you guys how to get this amazing look. This is so dramatic. This is a bad B makeup, and you can wear anywhere you want because we're all bad bitch here. Bad bitches, I'm a fucking problem. Anyways, thank you for coming back and enjoy the video. Let's just get started because I will talk all day. I talk. I love to talk. So if I don't shut up right now, I will be talking all day. Anyways, let's just get started with the look. Okay guys, so let's get started with the look. I already did this eye off camera. For lashes, I'm using the Beauty Creations in the style Expensive. I like them because this type of lashes actually make my eyes look bigger. So then I'm going to be using rhinestones. I do have a couple. Let me just look for the ones that I have. So for rhinestones, I am going to be using these ones that I got from Michael's. They're not that big, but they're not that small. So this is a look inspired by Khloe Kardashian. She actually posted like maybe like 2-3 weeks ago. She posted a picture like she had like, you know, like the thing going on like this, and then it looks like she has rhinestones, so that's what I decided to do. But I don't have a lot of lid space, so when I close my eyes, I don't have a lot of lid space. So what I just did is here on the crease, I just that's where I put the rhinestones. I didn't put a lot because I don't, like I said, I don't have a lot of lid space, so I can't really do like be all creative like that because my eyes are really hooded. So I don't have a lot of lid space, but I am going to be using these ones for today. They were really cheap. It came with a package of a lot, and these are like holographic ones. I love them. So let's just get started with the look. So first things first, I'm going to prime my eyes using the e.l.f. primer, the Camo Concealer Matte, and then I'm just going to blend it out. And then once my eye is primed, I'm just going to put some powder on top of it, and then we're just going to get started. And before we get started with the look, I am going to grab some tape just because I like to have like a really sharp line, and the tape really helps me make my line really, really sharp. Not my line, but y'all know what I mean. Like this, it makes it look super sharp. You see how that is? I use tape. So I already have the tape down, and let's just get started. So as a crease color, I'm not going to start straight away with black. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get one of these little palettes from e.l.f., the little bite-size palettes. This is in the color, it's pumpkin pie. This is the name of the little palettes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this brown one right here, and that's going to be my transition shade. That brown is going to be my transition shade. So that's what we're going to grab. And I'm just going to grab the M441. Okay, so we have it like this. And we're just going to intensify it a little bit more, add more of that brown, and we're going to blend it and blend it until we're satisfied with how it looks. So let's just keep on at it and using a blender brush. So once we have blended that color out to our satisfaction, we're going to get started with the darker colors because that's going to be like one of the lightest shades that we're going to be using. So let's just get started with the darker colors. I'm going to be using these palettes by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Because look at this palette. It has a lot of like gray tones, grays, whites, So I really need, this is like the perfect smoky eye palette. So that's what we're going to use. And we're going to grab the same pencil brush again, this one. The next color that we're going to take, it's going to be this one right here, which is called Udloji. That one, I don't know how to pronounce it. But we're going to take that color with the same brush and put it underneath that one. And then we're going to blend it out. This eye look takes a lot of blending, but I promise it's not as hard as it looks. It's just a lot of blending. So then after that, I want to darken it up a little bit more. So I'm just going to take this gray one right here, that one. That's the one that I want to take, which is called Grave Digger. And I'm also going to take the same pencil brush and the same blending brush and blend it out a little bit more. Look at what I did. I just accidentally... So I'm going to grab that color Grave Digger and I'm just going to darken it up right here a little bit more. And I'm also going to grab the same, this same brush and the same two blending brushes that I've been given. So for this look, these three brushes are going to be your best friend. And to blend out those colors, I know it looks crazy right now because I haven't blended out, but to blend those colors out together, I'm going to grab this color right here and this one right here. So these two shades right here, I'm going to grab them, which is going to be Wednesday and Life Insurance. Those are the two colors that I'm going to use to blend out all of those colors together. So, and I'm grabbing this brush because those are like one of the lightest shades that are there. So we're just going to use those to blend that out. I want to intensify the look a little bit more, so I am going to go with the black one right here. And I'm going to grab the same pencil brush, and we're just going to get started with that black because that's just going to make the look a little bit more intense. And if you messed up and get it here, don't worry because we're going to cut our crease. So we're going to begin to cut our crease, and I'm just going to take the concealer by e.l.f., the Camel one and the matte one. And I'm also, the same one that I used to prime my eyes, I'm going to take it and I'm going to take this like brush, so precise. And I got that brush of Amazon with this palette that I got for Halloween. So I don't think they have like the link down below. I'll put the link of the palette, but they came with the palette, so I don't think they sell them individually. It's just like a painting brush. But let's just get started. This is to cut our crease. So after you put the concealer, make sure you always look up, because then that's gonna tell you where to begin to cut the crease. So make sure you look up and then start cutting. Now we have our crease cut. So the next colors that I'm going to be taking on our lid, it's going to be this one right here. So I'm going to put this one first, and then I'm going to put this one on top of it because they don't have like a really, what's it called? They don't have like a really light gold shimmer shade. So I'm going to take that one, and then I'm going to take that one and this one. So I'm going to put this one first and then that one on top. And then once we're done with both of them, we're going to move on and I'll show you guys what to do next. Okay, so this is how it looks with those two shimmer shades that I got from the Jeffree Star palette. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to put some of this glitter by Elf. This is like a shimmer glitter, kind of like the copy for Stila, but just to make it a little bit more silver. So I'm just going to put this on top and blend it out. I like to blend this out with my finger. And if you want to leave it like this, you can leave it like this. If not, then we're going to get started because we have to put the rhinestones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline my eyes, because first you have to outline it so then you can know where to put the rhinestones. So I just follow the little tape. Okay, so I already did the eyeliner off camera. And if you guys want to leave the look right here, you can leave it right here. It looks totally fine. But like I said, I'm not a basic bitch. I'm a bad bitch. No, just kidding. But I'm not a basic person. Like, I like to go all out. So I'm going to get started with the rhinestones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the rhinestones here all across the crease, and that's what we're gonna do. And I'm just gonna use those rhinestones that I showed you guys that I got from Michael's, and I'm gonna use the glue. So I'm gonna use 5 of them. I'm gonna use the glue from Duo, and I'm just gonna start placing the little dots where I want the rhinestones to go. It looks kind of weird like this. We already have all the rhinestones, but we're gonna add glitter because, like I said, you see how I don't have that much lid space, so I can't really put a lot because my lids are kind of small, because I have hooded eyes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this glitter, like this glitter pen. I got it from Walmart. It's from Profusion, super cheap. So we're just gonna start putting glitter wherever we didn't put any rhinestones, and that's gonna make it look super nice. You guys will see. So we're done with both of our eyes. Let me just put my lash on, and then we'll continue with our face. So we already done with our eyes. I did my this lash off camera because lashes is like the thing I struggle with the most, and I need to practice a little bit more. But we're just gonna get started with the rest of our face. For primers, I'm gonna be using this mattifying one by Hard Candy, and also this one by Elf. I'm gonna be using a luminous foundation, so that's why I need a primer that's a little bit hydrating. So I mean a little bit matte, because I don't want my my foundation to look so oily. So I'm gonna take, this is the matte one. I'm gonna take the matte one on the outer parts of my face, and I'm just gonna blend. And for foundation, I am going to be taking this foundation from Anastasia. I bought this one last year and I have only tried it a few times. So I need to give this one a little bit more try because I didn't really like it that much. But I feel like if I try it more, I might like it because, you know, Anastasia is like my favorite brand. I'm just going to take some here and then I'm going to blend it out with my sponge from Elf. Then we're going to take our concealer. I'm going to take the same concealer, the hydrating one that I always take because I love this one. So I'm just going to take some of this. And I'm also going to add some of the matte one because this is a hydrating foundation. So I don't want it to be too oily. So I'm going to add some of the matte one on top. And then I'm just going to blend it out using my Wet n Wild sponge. So once we're done with our concealer, we're going to set our face using the same Anastasia powder. And this is in the color Translucent. This does get a little bit messy, so I do recommend you guys to either put it before your outfit. Before your outfit, because you don't want to get your outfit dirty. So we're just going to put this under eyes and bake. So I'm going to start with our bronzer. I'm going to start bronzing my face. And for bronzer, I am going to take this big bronzer from Essence with this big brush that I got from Real Technique. And we're just going to, you know, bronze our face. Before I forget, there's something I like to do to make my contour look snatch. So I wanted to do is I just do this. This is going to make my contour look snatched because I have a round face. So I do everything to try to make my face look chiseled. Like I have really chiseled, you know, face. So that's what I do. And then I'm going to blend down my powder. And leave it like this and you're done. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. So then next thing I'm going to put is some blush. Because I love blush and I love to look like I'm youthful. With this babish look. Anyways, I'm going to grab this palette from BH Cosmetics. And I'm just going to grab these, I guess these two shades right here. And I'm just going to put them on my cheeks to give me like a rosy look. And make me look young and sexy. Yeah, so those two colors right there. Those two. So then I'm going to set my face using the Hangover Primer. I mean the Hangover Setting Spray. So when my face is a little bit damp, I am going to grab this highlighter right here. The lightest one. And I'm just going to put it on my cheekbones. So we're almost done. We're almost done. What else do we need? We need to do our mascara. Let me do my mascara off camera and then I'll go look for my lip colors and then I'll come back. Guys, I did my eyes, you know, my lower mascara off camera, and then I also decided to do my lips off camera. I did use this lip liner by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's in the color Leo. I'm just trying it out because I bought it, so I might as well just waste it. But this is the color, and on top I just put like a little bit of this gloss from I Love Revolution, and then this little Fenty one, Fuzzy, which Fenty is like my favorite glosses. They have the best ones. But yeah, these are the ones that I got. These are the what I'm using on my lips. I always like to use like gloss, shimmery. I love how my lips look when it's shimmery. And this is the look you would wear to his funeral. I'm just kidding. But this is the look that you can wear. This is like a really, you know, dramatic look. So you can wear this if you're going to the club or if you're going to his funeral. I'm just kidding again. Or am I? I don't know. Just or anywhere, if you're going to dinner, your first day, anywhere, you can wear this look. Or, you know, if you just want to wear it, you can just wear it. Like right now, I'm about to go to the store and wear this. I'm just gonna change my shirt and put my gym clothes, put some leggings, and I'm gonna wear this. Anyways, guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. Give this video a like, and you know, I hope 2021 treats us better than 2020 did. I know definitely for me it was a you know, it was a huge life-changing experience, not just for the quarantine, but a lot of shit happened in my personal life. So I'm just barely starting slowly to heal from stuff or people that I let hurt me. But that's in the past, and we're moving on to the future. Better, brighter future. Anyways, I don't want to keep on talking because, you know, I love to talk. And I will be here all day if I don't shut the hell up. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Love y'all, and give this video a like and subscribe. Mwah.